Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss important concepts from the topic compounds containing nitrogen. We are going to study amines and classification of amines, isomerism in amines. Let us begin with the ammonia molecule. Molecular formula NH3. In ammonia, central atom is nitrogen. It is sp3 hybridized. Bond angle between two hybrid orbitals is 107 degrees. Geometry of ammonia molecule is pyramidal. Nitrogen has lone pair of electrons on it. Definition of amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which 1, 2 or all the 3 hydrogen atoms from nitrogen are replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Classification of amines. Amines are classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which only one hydrogen atom from nitrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Primary amines are represented by the formula RNH2. Functional group in primary amines is NH2 known as amino. Examples of primary amines: CH3NH2. In common system, it is called as methylamine. In IUPAC, methanamine. CH3CH2NH2. In common system, it is called as ethylamine. In IUPAC, ethanamine. CH3CH2CH2NH2. In common system, it is called as N-propylamine. In IUPAC, propane 1-amine. CH3CH2CH2CH2NH2. In common system, it is called as N-butylamine. In IUPAC, butane 1-amine. Secondary amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which two hydrogen atoms from nitrogen are replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Secondary amines are represented by the formula R2NH. Functional group in secondary amines is NH known as imino. Examples of secondary amines: CH3NHCH3. In common system, it is called as dimethylamine. In IUPAC, N-methylmethanamine. C2H5NHCH3. In common system, it is called as ethylmethylamine. In IUPAC, N-methylethanamine. CH3CH2CH2NHCH3. In common system, it is called as methyl N-propylamine. In IUPAC, N-methylpropane 1-amine. Secondary amines are classified as simple or mixed amines according to alkyl groups attached to nitrogen are same or different. For an example, dimethylamine is simple amine because both the alkyl groups attached to nitrogen are same, but ethyl methylamine and methyl N-propylamine are mixed amines because alkyl groups attached to nitrogen are different. Tertiary amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which all the 3 hydrogen atoms from nitrogen are replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Tertiary amines are represented by the formula R3N. In tertiary amines, functional group is nitrile. Examples of tertiary amines: CH3N CH3CH3. In common system, it is called as trimethylamine. In IUPAC, NN, dimethyl methanamine, C2H5 NCH3CH3. In common system, it is called as ethyl dimethylamine. In IUPAC, NN dimethylethanamine. CH3, CH2, CH2 and C2H5 CH3. In common system, it is ethyl methyl N-propylamine. In IUPAC, N-ethyl N-methyl propane 1-amine. Tertiary amines are classified as simple or mixed amines according to alkyl groups attached to nitrogen are same or different. For an example, trimethylamine is simple amine because all the three groups attached to nitrogen are same, but ethyl dimethylamine and ethyl methyl N-propylamine are mixed amines because the three groups attached to nitrogen are different. Isomerism in amines. Amines show three different types of isomerism: functional isomerism, positional isomerism, and metamerism. Functional isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different functional groups are called functional isomers, and the phenomena is called functional isomerism. Primary and secondary amines. Primary and tertiary amines. Secondary and tertiary amines are functional isomers of each other. Example, molecular formula C4H11 represents N-butylamine. It is primary amine. Methyl propylamine. It is secondary amine. Ethyl dimethylamine. It is tertiary amine. They are functional isomers of each other. Positional isomerism. Compounds having same structure of carbon chain differing only in the position of multiple, that is double or triple bond, or position of functional group are called positional isomers, and the phenomena is called as positional isomerism. Primary amines and other isomeric primary amines are positional isomers. Example, molecular formula C3H9N represents propane 1-amine, propane 2-amine. Both are primary amines represented by the same molecular formula. They differ only in the position of functional group, hence they constitute a pair of positional isomers. Another example, molecular formula C4H11N. It represents butane 1-amine, butane 2-amine. Both are primary amines represented by the same formula. They differ only in the position of functional group, hence they constitute a pair of positional isomers. Metamerism. Compounds having same structure of carbon chain but different number of carbon atoms or alkyl groups on either sides of polyvalent functional group are called metamers, and the phenomena is known as metamerism. Metamerism occurs amongst the member of the same homologous family. To show metamerism, an amine must contain at least 4 carbon atoms. Example, molecular formula C4H11N represents methyl N-propylamine, diethylamine. Both are secondary amine, have same molecular formula, but they differ only in the number of alkyl groups attached to polyvalent functional group, hence they constitute a pair of metamers.